Hello, class of 2020. Today, you are receiving Phase 3 in your graduation instructional videos. This one is titled The Senior Parade. Here are a couple of details before the video begins. Each year, many seniors request to decorate their hats or mortarboards, but traditionally, we have never allowed seniors to decorate their hats. But this is the phase where you can decorate to the hilt. You might consider decorating the car you, the graduate, and your two significant guests will be riding in. This is a great time to use shoe polish, balloons, and anything else legal on the roadways. Along the parade route, there are two locations you might invite other family and or friends to participate without being at the stadium. These friends and family members should be those who are not on your guest of 5 tickets that will not be allowed into the stadium. These two locations are Goliad and BSI campuses on Goliad Street. The second location in front of the high school from the auditorium all the way through the student parking lot on 11th Place. These two locations are both great places for these participants, friends and family members not getting into the stadium, to hold signs, make noise with noisemakers, let's say air horns, and just simply creating lots of excitement for our seniors as they roll by. Okay, here we go, Phase 3. When all cars holding seniors and their two guests are in order at our final staging area, 3 police cars will escort you from the city park to Memorial Stadium. Let's go for a ride. As you see in the video, we will exit the park onto Wasson Road and then turn right onto FM 700. At the light, you will turn left off of Farm Road 700 onto Goliad Street, and then you will approach the first of 2 places where other friends and family members not at the stadium will be waiting for you, making serious noise and holding signs. As you turn right from Goliad onto 11th Place, you will see a second area for family and friends together waiting for you to arrive. This will place you in front of the high school, where a second location is set up for family and friends together, holding signs and again making lots of noise, the air horns. You might encourage them to bring lawn chairs at both locations as they wait for the party. Will they see you coming? Of course they'll see you coming, but certainly not before they hear you coming because of our escorts. As we approach the stadium, you will notice that our 2 groups will split up and take seniors to the side that your 5 guests are waiting on. Half our seniors will drop off on the west side. We call that the home side. And the other half of seniors will drop off on the east side. We call that the visiting side. Will your 5 family members or friends that were invited as your 5 guests see you coming? Of course they will, but certainly not again before they hear you coming because of our escorts. Literally sounds very exciting. As you arrive to the 2 drop-off sites, as you see, we will drop off graduates and their 2 guests 10 cars at a time, according to your letter. For example, while Group A is dropping off, Group B is waiting to move into the unloading zone. Group B will move into the loading zone after Group A leaves. Group C cars then pull up, waiting for Group B to leave. Remember, we will use the same unloading format on both sides of the stadium. Let's move to the east side as an example, east side being our visiting side. On the east side, it might be Group M that starts us off, while Group N waits for them to unload. As Group N pulls into the unloading zone themselves after Group M leaves, then the next Group O will be next. All other cars will remain in line until your group of 10 cars is ready to unload seniors in the unloading area and their guests. Students and significant guests, when you unload in the unloading zone, you will find your number that is on your card located on the fence. Find that number and you and your significant guests go stand in front of that number. At that time, you will have teachers move you from that location to the field to prepare probably for what is the most exciting processional of all, and that is down the sideline while Pomps and Circumstances playing over the loudspeakers. This concludes Phase 3. If you have any questions, please call or come by the high school. I would strongly encourage you seniors to get out, drive around the park looking for our 2 staging areas. Drive the parade route, showing your additional family members and friends that were not allowed into the stadiums where they can set up to watch you come by the parade route. And finally, review the videos to know where you and your 10 cars will be dropping you off in our unloading zones. Very important that you understand these videos, know these videos, get out and practice these videos. Again, all of this is unrehearsed, and these instructional videos are crucial to our cause. Thank you, and go Steers.